In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to find someone's repost on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your device. To find your own reposts, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom of the screen. Once on your profile, look for the icon that represents reposts. This icon is usually a circular arrow or two arrows forming a circle. Tap on it to view the TikTok videos you have reposted. If you want to see someone else's reposts, go to the profile. You can do this by tapping on the profile picture, usually found at the top right corner of the TikTok videos. On the profile page, look for the same repost icon. It may be in a different location depending on the user's previous settings. Tap on the icon to view the TikTok videos they have reposted. Depending on the previous settings of a TikTok user, you might not see the repost option on the profile. That is it. You've successfully found repost in TikTok. In this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to the like button. Enjoy exploring TikTok content.